Are Israel's warnings for Gaza's civilians to evacuate legal? Throughout this campaign, Israel has issued repeated warnings for civilians in Gaza to evacuate defined areas, ahead of possible strikes. This has included dropping millions of flyers, phone calls, and text messages, as well as providing safe passage. Many critics have charged that this amounts to forced displacement, which is a violation of international humanitarian law and a crime against humanity. However, this is highly erroneous and a gross misinterpretation of both the law and Israel's intentions in providing such warnings. Firstly, it must be made clear that Israel's actions do not amount to orders, as it has no power to issue orders or compel civilians in Gaza to take a certain action, as Gaza is controlled entirely by Hamas. In any case, even though Israel is not ordering or forcing civilians in Gaza to move, it is merely advising them, for the purposes of imperative military necessity, in order to avoid or minimize potential harm or injury to civilians. This is particularly relevant, as Hamas continues to embed rockets, tunnels, and military operations within civilian areas. International law in fact compels Israel to provide effective advance warning, which it has. In doing so, Israel has in fact saved countless Palestinian lives, which Hamas continues to intentionally put in danger.